Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Today I'm here to show you a 2-in-1 body trimmer for men. And thank you to the people who sent this to me so that I can get a sample and we can use it. And today Ned is going to be trying to use this. It's going to be his in fact. So just let me talk a few things about it. This is the actual razor. And this piece right here will come off because it does have, show me that. It does come off, and
this is the nose and ear hair remover. It just snaps on. There you go. Snaps right on.
It snaps on. When you take it off, you got to kind of wiggle it a little bit to get it off. But it does snap back on, and it is interchangeable. Plus, it comes with those two, I guess, guides.
Two hair guides.
Two hair guides. It comes with these two hair guides. It came with a pamphlet and
a docking station.
A docking station, and
you can plug in the cord into the docking station,
or you can actually plug the cord right into the shaver itself.
Right. So,
Ned is showing you the docking station right now, and actually the cord will fit directly into the trimmer. But I wanted to come in at this point because I want you to understand the kind of hair that Ned has at this point. Ned's hair is really short right now, plus it's curly. So this shaver will work much better with a longer hair at that time, because he said he did use this shaver on his private parts, and he said it came out, it really was good. He said he didn't even have any irritation or anything. So he actually liked that he could use it on his intimate parts. But on his hair needs to be a little longer for you to see that. But he likes a nice close shave, and that's what he would use. That's what he would use it on. As you can see though, you see the hair did come out. The little hair he has did come out. But remember, his hair is curly and it's short. So I just wanted to point that out at this point. Thank you so much for sending me this sample.
And we'll be back to let you know how it turned out.
Yeah. Thank you.